Yeah, hello class. Today we are going to be writing a software in Java, and the name of this software is going to be Mr. Austin. The name of this software is going to be what? We are going to use the principles of object-oriented programming in Java to code a software known as Mr. Austin. So how do we start a software in Java? We say public class. What is the name? Mr. Austin. That's the name of the class. You understand? The object is Mr. Austin. So I'm going to enclose everything in a word, two curly brackets, opening and closing curly bracket. So I'm going to start with the attributes. I told us that every software must have attributes and functions. Is it not? Yeah. And in Java, you call the attributes variables and you call the functions what? Methods. So the first attribute here, I'm going to say string, and I'm going to say my name. That's my first attribute. And my name is what? Mr. Augustine Emeka. And I'm going to put it in double quotes and close with a semicolon. So the name of this variable is what? My name. The data type of this variable is string. The value of this string, of this variable is what? Mr. Augustine. So what is other attribute that I have? I can have int my age. That's the name of the variable, my age, written together. And my age is what? 32. I close it with a semicolon. Why am I using int here? Because age is an integer, it's a whole number. That's why this one is int. This one is string because this is a string of characters. So I can have another thing. Let's say double, and I say my height. My height is what? 1.67. Why am I using double as the data type? Because height is in what? Decimal. It's a decimal number. Had it been it's a whole number, I would have used int here. So I can have another thing, another of my character, boolean. I will say he is married. He is married is like a question that has yes or no answer, or true or false. So the answer is going to be what? True. You understand? Why am I having true? I'm having true because Austin is what? Married. If it is Austin is not married, you have false. Is that clear? So these are the attributes. These are my what? Attributes. They are my attributes. They are my variables. So after attributes, every class must have attributes and what? Functions, or variables and what? Methods. So how do I declare the method? I will say public, this is small letter, public static void main. Inside the bracket I'll put what? String, and I'll put this, and I'll say what? Args. Is it not? So this is how you declare a method. This is main method. Every code in Java must have a main method in order to enable it to execute. Is that clear? So inside this main method, I'm going to open a curly bracket and I'm going to close the curly bracket. So I'll put what the method, what the function I want Mr. Austin to be performing. And that function is to do what? System dot out dot what? Print in line. What do you want it to print? It will say hello class, my name is, you give space and put this double quote and put plus, then you write what? This variable, my name. It will echo Mr. Austin for you. You understand? Then put another plus, put another this thing. You say my age is, put this, put another plus and put what? My age. The same way you wrote it here. You understand? And close this and put a semicolon. When you run it, it will do hello class, my name is. Instead of writing my name, it will write Mr. Augustine Emeka, because you've already declare this variable, my name here. So it will just take the value and declare and call it out for you. Also, it will put my age as what? 32 automatically for you. Because I told you that every software has variables and what? Functions. And the functions use the variable to perform. Just like you have me now. Some of my attributes are things like my mouth, my eye. If I want to perform the function of seeing, what will I use? I'll use my eye to see. If I want to perform the function of talking, I'll use my what? Mouth, one of my attributes, to perform a function. So now you're performing a function here in this main method, but you're using what? The variables that you earlier declared. You understand? So a complete Java code is the one that has variables and what? Function. Or variables and what? Method. And this is the method. The name of this method is what? Main. And main method is very, very important because every Java code must have it. Because that's what the compiler sees and starts compiling from there. So you can also make reference to every other thing. You can also add another plus and say my height is, and my height is, you put my height and it will come and call this height. Is that clear? So that is a simple software. We are going to be writing software for ATM machines, software for plenty things. But I want you to understand the basic that it must have variables. It must have what? It must have what? Variables. And it must have what? Method. It must have what? Method. Every object must have this. Variables are the what? Attributes. Variables are the what? My attributes. I have name, I have age, I have height. I can be said to be married or not married. Whereas the method is what? Function. So what is the function of Mr. Austin? To echo out, hello class, my name is, you put my name, my age is, you put my age. Is that clear? And to echo out, you use this object known as system.out.println. That's what you use in printing out something in Java. Is that clear? So for you to get much of our lectures, well, where we'll be writing a lot of software for different things. First of all is that you need to go to your Android Play Store. You need to go to what? If you are using Android phone, go and search for, inside the search, type in JAM, WAEC, NECO, UNI. So search for this app, download it on your Android phone and install it so that you'll be getting and be following all our lectures on Java and other things. Is that clear? You can also go to YouTube and search for Tclassified.com. Search for Tclassified.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channels so that you can be getting all our videos that we'll upload. You can also go to our website www.jamwaecnecouni.com. You understand? So go to your Play Store in your Android phone, search for Jam WAEC NECO Uni. It's an Android app that we've developed and is already on the Android Play Store. You download it so that you can follow our classes. Go to YouTube, search for Tclassified.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can get to our website www.jamwaecnecouni.com. In our website, it's like a full class. It has everything you need for you to learn. You can also call me on my line if you have any questions on all these lectures that I'm doing. My number is +234 70671 62698. Also on Facebook, you can search for Jam WAEC NECO Uni on Facebook so that you can follow our Facebook page so that you can be getting our updates. Very, very important. Get my phone number. You can always call me to assist you in solving problems in Java. We are going to be having a detailed Java class that will take step by step. So if you're able to follow us up, gradually you're going to become a guru, an expert, a professional in programming with Java. Thank you.